I respect everybody, from the highest to the lowest. Society got us fooled. I would race anybody, from the slowest to the fastest. Integrity is lost on these fools. I don't speak just to speak, I say what I mean. I gotta think before I speak, but hey, I'm not that mean. My intentions always come from a good place. My limitations had me thinking I'm forever out of place. Now I feel it in the air, in the universe. What do you feel now? My people, my people, my people. Those with morals, the good people of this earth. Those that hate manipulation and spread love across this earth. It's the simple things in life for me. A peaceful morning in nature does it for me. I will never, ever be in your shoes. I have no idea what it's like, and frankly, that's on you. From now on, this little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. I'm not stuck on bullshit. I'm just doing my shit. I treat my body right now. Let's take a trip, yo, right now. To a different me. Experiencing life pretty much begging G. Please be my friend. Please be my friend. Please be my friend. You turned me into a fiend. You turned me into a fiend. I hate being a fiend. Addicted to the pity, forgiving to the pretty. Oh boy, patriarchy hurts man too. Once I unpacked that, I finally grew. From a big boy to a man. Lean like big boy, now I dance. Step, step, step to the right, step, step, step to the left, step, step, step to the right, step, step, step to the left. Now, scream! Peace, y'all.